The Musa Khawula appeared at the magistrate court yesterday, where his lawyer requested for a postponement, and he said that they need to acquire some medical report for Musa Khawula, which they need for their case. The lawyer also said that he called the doctor to provide him with medical report, but she refused. The magistrate told Musa Khawula and his lawyer to get their things in order because she cannot continue postponing the matter. She also said that Musa Khawula must return on the 21st of September 2023 for a pre-trial hearing. So now Musa Khawula is facing a case of a murder after he allegedly stabbed his then boyfriend Wandile Khambule in March 2022. So this is what happened for those who do not know that what is going on with Musa's case. Musa went to see his then boyfriend Khambule, who has also a girlfriend. He went there and then, Uyajola 99 type of situation happened, and then Musa Khawula went outside with Khambule, and then that's when Musa stabbed the guy to death. So he's currently going through that case at the moment, and it's just hush here and there. It's not that public, but it's there. But anyway, it is what it is. We'll just wait until the 21st of September till I see you again. Bye bye.